Practice parking in a parking space on the left in a parking lot. Position your car in the middle of the open area between the lines on the right and on the left. Signal to the left because you intend to put the front into the parking space beside this blue vehicle on the left. So you keep going straight until the front of your vehicle is in the middle of that same lane you intend to get into, like just about now. Then you stop momentarily, get all your turns in, hand over hand, and then you just watch the car do the job. If you found that you're gonna hit that car, then obviously you stop, but you're not gonna hit anything. Just let the car do the job. When it's straight, like now, you stop momentarily and straighten the wheel, hand over hand. Now it looks like the face of a clock. Then clock again, hand over hand steering. Then move straight into the parking space, and then you stop. Apply the parking brake, place the gear selector to park, and you're done. You've just parked, put in the front into a parking space in a parking lot.